Hello everyone, welcome to the solution of LeetCode problem 501 named Find Mode in Binary Search Tree. In this problem, we are given a root of a binary search tree which has duplicates. Now, we have to return all of the modes of this binary search tree. Here, the modes is the most frequently occurred element. And here, if the tree has more than one mode, we have to return them in any order. Now, what is the definition of the binary search tree? For a binary search tree, the left subtree of a node contains only nodes with keys less than or equal to the current root. Similarly, for the right subtree, all of the node has the key which will be greater than or equal to the current node's key. And both of the left and the right subtree must also be a binary search tree. So here, let's consider the first example. This is the tree. The root is 1. It has 1 right children, 2, and 2 has 1 left children, which is 2. So here we have clearly seen that the frequency of 2 is 2. So we have to return this 2, which is the most frequent element. I hope you understood the problem statement. Now let's move on to the algorithm. In this problem, we have taken these three to understand the algorithm. Here, the root is 5, which has 2 children, 3 and 5, and 3 also has 2 children, 1 and 3. Now here, as we have to find the elements which has the most frequency, so we will use map, because in those kind of problem, we have to deal with the frequency. Those kind of problem can be easily solved using the map. And here we will use the in-order traversal. Now in the in-order traversal, we will process the left subtree. After that, we will process the root, and after that, we will process the right subtree. So here, currently we are at this node 5 in the DFS call. From 5, we will go to the node 3. From node 3, we will go to the node 1. So here, the frequency of 1 will be 1. Now from node 1, we will get back to its parent 3. So the frequency of 3 will be 1. So from 3, the call will be again its right children 3. So the frequency of 3 is 2. So from 3 again the call will be its root 3. And from 3 the call will be its root 5. So the frequency of 5 is 1. Now from 5 again the call will be its right children 5. So the frequency of 5 will be 2. Now from 5, it will trace back to its root and we will return. Now we have seen that we have made a frequency map. Here, the node 1 appears one time, the node 3 and node 5, both of them appears 2 times. Okay, now we have to determine what is the maximum frequency of a node in our map. The maximum frequency is 2. So here we will take a vector and we will iterate each of the entry of our given map, and we will store the key which has the value equal to 2. So here 3 has the value equal to 2. So we have to store 3 here, and 5 has value equal to 2. So we have to store 5 here as well. Finally, we have to return this vector. I hope you understood the algorithm. Now let's move on to the code. In this problem, the code is pretty simple. At first, we are given a function named find mode, which has a root as a parameter. Now we are calling a in-order function into this root. And inside the in-order function, if the root is null, we have to simply return. Otherwise, we have to recursively call the in-order into the left subtree. And after completing the processing of the left subtree, we have to increase the root value frequency by 1. Again, we have to recursively call the inorder into the right subtree. Now here, we have generated this frequency map. Now, our max frequency initialized with integer min and the vector of answer will be initialized. Now here, we are calculating the maximum frequency, and inside this, if the maximum frequency is equal to the any of the value, we have to simply insert its corresponding key with the answer vector. Finally, we have to return the answer. I hope you understood the code. Thank you everyone for watching the video. We will get back soon with another LeetCode solution.